square numbers. Let's write 1. 1 is equals to 1 square, we know that. Let's write 2. We have written after 1, 2, and either side of 2 we have taken 1 and 1. This is 121. We know that this is the square number. 11 square is equals to 121. Let's write the next number is 3, and there are either side of the numbers are 2 and 2, and the next digits are 1 and 1, and then we multiply 1 square, that is 111 into 111 will be getting 12,321. This is the pattern. Let's recall it. We have taken 1 is 1 square is nothing but 1 into 1, and after 1 we have taken 2, and either side of 2 we have taken 1 and 1. This 121 is nothing but 11 square, that is nothing but 11 into 11. Next, after 2 we have taken 3. It is either side of 3 we have taken 2 and 2, and either side of 2 and 2 we have taken 1 and 1, and this number is the square of 111 square. So let's find out next number. Let's write here 4. Then either side of 4 there are 3 and 3, and either side of 3 there are 2 and 2. Again either side of 2, 1 and 1. So this is a square of 1111. So 1111 square is equals to, this is a number 12,34,321 that we have written in the middle. 4 and either side 3, and again either side 2 and either side 1 we got. So let's recall from starting, and we got here there is a 1 and 1 we got, and there are 11, there are 2 ones, and then we are getting here 121, there are and 3 ones here, we'll be getting 3 in the middle, either side 2 2 and 1 1, and there are 4 ones in the middle, 4, and either side 1 2 3, and the other side of it 3 2 1. And similarly when we have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 whole square, when we have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits as 1 square, that will be here. Let's count here. 4 means in the middle we have taken 4, 3 means in the middle we have taken 3, 2 means we have taken 2 in the middle. So here 6 digits of 1. So let's take in the middle 6. So either side we know that we will take the preceding number, that is 5 and 5, and the preceding number is 4 and 4, and again the preceding number 3 and 3, and 2 and 2, and 1 and 1. So this is a square of the number which is here 1,11,111 square, and there are 6 digits of 1, and middle of the number we have taken 6, and either side we have taken 5 4 3 2 1, and after 5 4 3 2 1 we are getting this pattern. So this is a very good pattern about the squares of 111 square and 111 square, and also continue of the numbers. Number, for example 4, and let's multiply with the same number. 4 into 4 is 16, and 16 is called as square of 4. Taken 4 and multiply with the same number, we'll be getting 16, and 16 is called as the square of 4. So some of the perfect squares are 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. These are the perfect squares we have discussed in earlier classes. So now let's discuss about the square roots. Area of a square is 144 centimeter square. Find side of the square. Area of a square is 144 centimeter square. We need to find out the side of a square. We know that the square which has all the sides are equal, and this, let's take the side as small a. All the sides become small a because all the sides of a square are equal. And here we know the formula of a area of a square. Area of a square is capital A is equals to side into side let's write the side that we have taken as small a. So small a into small a. So capital A is equals to, we know that it's given that square is, area of a square is 144 centimeter square. So area is 144 centimeter square. So let's write in the capital A, that is area is 144 centimeter square is equals to a into a is nothing but a to the power of 2. This a square, nothing but also called a square. So a square is equals to 144, and that is called as, let's find out in which case we'll be getting 144. Which number we do the square, we'll be getting 144. We have learned in previous class that is 12 into 12 is 144. So 144 is 12 square. A square is, so 144 is 12 square. So the value of A is 12. So A square is equals to 12 square. Then it becomes A is equals to 12. Now we got the side of a square. From this what we can understand that the area of a square is given. One of the square is given using other square. Using one of the square, we found the square root of the following number. Let's recall. One of the square is given here. Area of a square is given. Then we found the square root of a number. That is nothing but one of the square. It is nothing but we found one of the a in this, that is a into a is called a into a is equals to a square. We know that if you take one of the a from it, that is called the square root of a given number. So now we got a, this is a square root of a given number. So this is a 12, a is equals to 12 is called as square root of 144. So let's take another example. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse and one of the sides are centimeters, 3 centimeters respectively. Find other side. So what we understood from this problem is any right angle triangle, we know that any triangle will be having 3 sides. In that side, here it is a right angle triangle, then one of the angle is right angle in that. That means that it will be having a hypotenuse opposite to right angle. We know that it will be a hypotenuse, so this is a hypotenuse. And then one of the side is also given in this hypotenuse, and one of the side is given in this problem. We need to find out other side. So hypotenuse is, and this hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters. And one of the side is, let us take either this one and otherwise this one. Any one of it we can take it as 3 centimeters. So let's take this one as 3 centimeters. Then we need to find out other side. So let's take the other side as x. So this is 5 centimeters hypotenuse we have taken. So in a right angle triangle, we can use one of the property, that is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is nothing but the square of hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. Let's write in the short form of hypo. Hypotenuse square is equals to base of a triangle, and this is height of a triangle. Base of a triangle, square, the sum of the squares of base and height is equals to hypotenuse. Let's recall again the square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. The square of hypotenuse is equals to base square plus height square. This is called as Pythagoras theorem. So let's take here what are the values are given. That is hypotenuse. Let's take hypotenuse as 5 centimeters. This is 5. There it is a square, so let's take square. And base is, it's not given, we need to find out other side. That is x. Square is a, let's take square. And height is 3 centimeters. So 3 square. Let's simplify this one. So 25 is equals to x square plus 3 square is nothing but 9. So let us transpose this. 25 minus 9 is x square. 16 is equals to x square. So let's find out which is a square number. We will get as 16. That means when we multiply two numbers, we need to get 16. That is nothing but 4. 4 into 4 is equals to x square. 4 square is equals to x square. So x value is 4. So here we got x value as 4. 4 square is equals to x square. X value as 4. Here we got hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. That is 5 square is equals to x square plus 3 square. And here we have that the process is the two squares are given and we are finding the other square using the non-squares. Two non-squares we have and we are finding the other square. So in this process, finding the other square, as in that one of the square we have taken, that is nothing but 4 square is equals to x square. Square is equals to x square, and in this we know that we have taken one of the same number from it, that is called as square root of the given following number. So x is equals to 4, is called as square root of 4 square. So here what we have understood with the examples of 1 and 2. Previous example and this example is that we are finding one of the square of the number using the two known squares, and using that we are finding the square root of a number. For example, 4 square is equals to x square and x is equals to 4, that is called as square root of the given number.